what I got, they'll all be like, ooh, that's nice. When they see me, I know they talking like, that's nice. When I'm looking at all these options, I'm like, that's nice.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing a device that could reshape how we experience virtual worlds, the Meta Quest 3S, with its affordable price point and advanced mixed reality features. It's positioning itself as a major player in the VR market, but is it truly a game changer or just another overhyped headset? Let's find out. With a starting price of just $299.99, the Quest 3S promises the same mixed reality capabilities and fast performance as its pricier sibling, which is the Quest 3. But is the lower price enough to make it stand out in an already crowded market? Let's start with the features. Just like the Quest 3, the 3S offers full color pass-through, upgraded spatial audio, and support for 2D apps like YouTube and Facebook, all while keeping the price $200 cheaper. It even shares the same Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor and display resolution. But where does it cut corners? One of the standout features Meta introduced is travel mode, allowing you to use the headset while on the move. Whether you're on a bus or train, this feature keeps you in the virtual world without losing connection. Plus, Meta has rebuilt Horizon OS with better support for apps and spatial computing, making multitasking like never before. The 3S supports the same library of apps and games as the Quest 3, with a focus on multitasking and immersive experiences. You can watch movies in theater view, game with Xbox Cloud Gaming, or even bring your personal trainer with you anywhere with fitness apps like Supernatural. But here's the catch: with only 128GB storage and no option to upgrade, is that enough for VR enthusiasts? Meta is also focusing heavily on privacy and future upgrades. Features like the Hey Meta Wake Word and AI integration are expected to launch soon, along with plans to support lying down while using the headset. They've also added new layers of privacy protection, ensuring that your data stays safe while you explore virtual worlds. So, is the Meta Quest 3S the future of affordable mixed reality, or just a cut-down version of the Quest 3? If you're new to VR or looking for a budget-friendly upgrade, the Quest 3S offers a lot for $299.99. But if you're after the ultimate VR experience with more storage and better visuals, the Quest 3 still reigns supreme. What do you think? Is Meta's Quest 3S the game-changing device for 2024, or is it too stripped down to compete? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth tech reviews right here on Tech Insider.